Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly install SSL or Secure Sockets Layer certificates from Namecheap manually. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you guys can see on my screen here, Namecheap themselves has actually provided a written guide on how you can do this from scratch. And what I'm here for is to help you better understand just how these work and to walk you guys every step of the way. So with all that said, let's begin. So once you guys find yourselves on this page, um, you want to simply follow the written instructions step by step. So I'll be reading it as I go. Installing an SSL certificate on your server using the control panel for Namecheap. So once you guys log into your Namecheap account, you want to navigate to the control panel, usually found on the left hand side of your screen. Now, when you do, you want to navigate to security and you want to look for the option that says SSL/TLS, as you can see here. So normally after a certificate has been added to your domain and has been issued by the certificate authority, you can go ahead with actually implementing the certificate to your control panel. Now, anyway, here's how you can actually get access to that and install the certificate from manually. So once you guys find yourselves on this page, you just want to simply click on it again, or rather, click on it, and once you're here, it'll bring up a new window that looks a little bit like this. So there's private keys, generate, view, or upload or delete your private keys, CSR or certificate signing requests, CRT, as well as install and manage SSL for your site. So this is what you're looking for. So once you find this little option right here, you just want to simply click on manage SSL sites, and it should take you to a page where your certificate is located at. Now, as a side note, if you were to implement a new certificate to your website from scratch, you would have to download it from uh, the certificate authority and paste it into Notepad first to actually convert it to plain text. And then once you find yourself on this page, the manage SSL sites, you just want to simply paste it. And on the next page, the certificate files can be opened with the help of text editor, like something like Notepad, like I said, on your computer. Now, the next step is to simply click on autofill by certificate, which you can see here on this little illustration, and which appears to the main body of your certificate. And Namecheap's system will attempt to fetch the domain name and private key for your DNS or your domain rather. Or if you guys want to apply the steps that I showed earlier, you can also manually enter your certificate by clicking on the domain drop-down list and manually entering the certificate and private key to the corresponding boxes. So it looks a little something like this. Now, to actually get to installing it, you just want to go to the SSL slash TLS page manager, and if you keep scrolling down, you'll see a button that says install certificate, and it looks a little something like this. Now, from here on out, it's pretty straightforward. Simply click on install certificate and you're done. So if this guide worked for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we upload guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel as well as making sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all that said, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.